In this video, we're going to be skip counting by fives. So if you take a look at this chart, you could see that the multiples of 5 are highlighted. So what we're going to do is we're going to say them as we circle them. Okay, so it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So it kind of becomes a little bit like a song that you could do in your head. And you could keep this. This is like a little card that you could maybe download and take a screenshot of, and just remember how it looks, how to skip count by 5. So it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. I couldn't fit the 100 in, but this would make it easier for you to picture it in your head when you're doing it. So this just takes a little bit of practice. You could rewatch the video and sing along. And I also have other videos of mine that are similar to this. You could take a look in the description. There's links there to other videos. And please make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for listening.